Oh my god, Freyja, I can see you. Oh my gosh, I'm watching the Miss Universe pageant and was so psyched that like Canada passed like the first round. Canada, US, Jamaica, Italy, France, Australia. I think like it was like, whoa, it's been like forever since Canada, especially Italy too. I've never like I have no memory of ever seeing them make it. Like anyways, they didn't make it to the final though. I find beauty pageants to be really, really cheesy. Does anyone else feel that way? Just like there's a lot of this going on. You just gotta like, you know, shrug, you know, and just always this plastic smile. And then you have to do that. I don't know how to describe it. I don't think I can be that cheesy. I feel like beauty pageants are really focused on, like, why do you have a swimsuit round? Why do you care what they look like in a swimsuit? If it's not about beauty and it's not superficial, then why? And where's the men's beauty pageant then? You know, and it's called a beauty pageant. So obviously the focus is on the beauty. But I don't know. I find that like, I do find it objectifying. I do find it like really kind of devaluing or putting too much value on looks. And like I would like it better if they just got rid of the swimsuit part of it and just focused on like the charity and the intelligence part of it. Beauty pageants. Why? Because there's people who go around saying, no, it's not about the beauty, it's also about this and this and this. Those other things are not the main thing. The first thing, like, to get on there, to get in there, is the beauty. And then you have to have something that you do, like charity work, and you know, you need to like promote that other side of you. But it's like the beauty comes first. They're all, you know, have good bodies, they can all wear bikinis. You don't see any plus size girls there, really. So stop it with the swimsuits. I find it really annoying. But yeah, just because like I don't understand why we have to show off women's bodies so much. Wow! Look at that! Wow! So pretty. This is chocolate. This is what I like. Okay. He's so cute! Hold on. But typical Italian drink. Also una bicchiere di Bombardino. Yeah. So I ate some of this chocolate I got in the Bencarelli, basically in that tent place thing there. So I've been to those kind of places a lot of times. Every year you can find them. The chocolate comes from different places in Italy, some from the south, some from like Puglia. So this one comes from Sauro? I don't know. Saranzano? I have absolutely no idea where that is. Maybe it's Puglia? I don't know. And then this one, I got these truffles. This is truffle. It's like a sauce made of truffles. It has mushrooms and truffle in oil, and they have some truffle oil in it as well. It's really good. I love this. Now, don't get me wrong. Italy has some really amazing food and things. This one's from Puglia. But the chocolate, I find that I have a hard time finding good chocolate in Italy. To me, this chocolate is made with cacao butter. And I find that the chocolate here is very waxy, if you know what I mean. Not the kind of chocolate that I like. I love Belgium chocolate the best. That's my favorite kind. And I usually have really good things to say about food here. So what's up with that?